Good morning. This is English video session for class 6. We are now seeing the story of an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla, lesson number 4, honeysuckle. We have completed the question answer session. Let us see what are the other things that are there. Now you see there is another thing where you have unprecedented space. So let us see some of the words working with the language is okay. Unprecedented space tragedy, certified flight instructor, space mission, space super specialization, encyclopedic knowledge, awe-inspiring in this age. What does it mean? See, the meanings are given in the side, but they are not given in order. You have to find out which suits what. Let us see the options that are given. Something that causes feelings of respect and wonder. Okay. Something that causes feeling of respect and wonder. Both. Okay, respect and wonder. Having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects. Okay. Nowadays in these times. Okay. Then a set of jobs to be done in space by a group, a person with the correct qualification to teach people to fly planes, a sad accident of a kind of that has never happened before, great experience in a limited field of or a particular certificate, great expertise in a limited field in a particular subject. Shall we see the words and now the meaning? Yes. Unprecedented space tragedy is a sad accident of a kind that never happened in the space before. Please write unprecedented space tragedy, put a dash and write yes. A sad accident of a kind that have never happened before in space. 2. Certified flight instructor. Yes. A person with the correct qualification to teach people to fly planes. Certified flight instructor means a person with appropriate, correct qualification to teach people to fly planes. Okay. Space mission. What is a space mission? A set of jobs to be done in space by a group is called space mission. A set of jobs that are going to be done where? In space by a group. Okay. Yes. Next is super specialization. What is the meaning of super specialization? A great expertise in a limited field on a particular subject. Great expertise in a limited field or a particular subject. What is the meaning of encyclopedic knowledge? Encyclopedic knowledge. Having knowledge of wide variety of subject. Not one subject to when the knowledge which even in that subject also should be from one end to the other end. Okay, that's called having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects. Awe-inspiring. What's awe-inspiring? Having what is it? Something that causes feeling of respect and wonder. Awe-inspiring means something that causes feeling of respect and wonder. Okay. What is the meaning of in this age? In this age means nowadays. What is the meaning? Nowadays. Okay. In this age means having a nowadays, in these days. Okay? Clear. Let's see what we can follow with this. These things need to be written in your class work. Okay? Yes. Look at these sentence phrases, children. In the sentences, you are able to understand the meaning. These were all the words that were there in the lesson, like broke apart, streaked over, spread across, lifted off, blast off, went on, cheered along, on board, carry on. Children, in order to know its, make a sentence for this, you have to make a sentence. Means first go to the place where it is there in the textbook. Understand how the word has been used by the author. Okay, when you understand how the word is being used, broke apart, breaking into the pieces. Okay, when the spaceship broke apart into 100 pieces when it fell down. What is streaked over? The fire, the flames streaked over everywhere, the streaks of fire. Okay, thick streaks of fire. Okay, so how the thick streaks of fire was coming out of the shuttle space. What is this meaning of spread across? The fire spread across the entire spacecraft, engulfed the entire spacecraft. Spread across means what? It is going around. Okay, full. What is lift off? Is to take off. It lifted off on which day? The spacecraft lifted on 21st January whatever. Blast off, it got blasted. It got blasted off. It blew into the fire. It broke, it flew, it caught fire. Went on, the people went on seeing their television set. Went on seeing their television set to know the details of what happened to Kalpana Chawla. You remember the people in the place where Karnal cheered along when she was successful in the NASA. The entire people around her cheered along with her success. Okay, and cheered along and said, "Go on, pursue your dreams." Okay, so nice. Cheered is to encourage, make you happy. Cheering is when you are running, your friends will cheer along you. Is it not? For what? To make you run. What is on board? How many people are there on board? On the board there were 8, it was totally 7 people, 6 other people and one is Kalpana Chawla. So on board there were, you can even say in the Mumbai Bangalore flight there were totally 200 people on board. Carry on. I just want to carry on the duties as a soldier. I am able to. I wish to carry on with my work as a teacher in Sainik School, Bijapur, like that. Is it clear, children, how you will get into it? Yes, very good. Yes, can you make your own sentences? Don't write the same sentences which I told. It's all a model. You have to try to write your own sentences. Okay, you need to learn how to make your own sentences. Is that clear? So now write broke apart, streaked over. When you say, you should not separate them. Broke apart, see, streaked over, spread across, lifted off, blast off, went on, cheered along, on board, carry on. Okay, so this is some of the activities that you have to write all these things in your classwork, children. I think you are maintaining a classwork. Yes, you have to maintain it and you have to write it. Now children, there are some words like opposites like true and true, do and do. So there are some words which have the same words, but you put un, it becomes the opposite of it. Yes, have you come across such words? Yes or no? Yes. Now today we are going to see some words. Can you take this as a homework and do it for the next class? Yes. So I will stop here. You try to do this work and come to the next class. Okay? Yes.